Well, typical. Just when it gets interesting, the battery of the camera ran out. But okay, I attached it to the loader, so that should be okay. So anyway, here we are. We're almost there. We're almost at the point where the rivet and the cover plate are going to let loose. Now remember, I'm using friction heat to push the rivet through the plastic of the base. So let's give it a last go. Okay, that should do it. Maybe not quite. Okay, I'll have to apply a little bit more heat. Well, of course I need to keep a good grip on it, obviously. Okay.
He'll have to improve as a hunter if he's going to grow into a 6-meter giant.
Not quite. Okay. Okay. Well, mind you, it's turning out a bit harder than I thought. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Well, obviously, if you friction heat it, it is going to be hot. There you go. Okay. So as you can see, this is the base with the pins worked free. Let's see if I can zoom in. So you can see these are the pins to which are attached or which are the contacts for the capacitors. Now the capacitors are covered on top with this little mica plate. I hope you can see it. It's very transparent, and at the back of the cover plate there are the capacitors. You see, this little mica plate consists of two capacitors which are mounted in parallel with the coils. So what I need to do now is to get this plate off from the cover plate, which looks easy, but let me see. It looks easy, but it really isn't. I suppose I could break it, but I'm not going to because I'm curious. So what I'm going to do is take away the ball grinder and put the normal grinding wheel back, and I'm going to grind away the end of the end tab of the little cup. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Okay, there we go. So now I should be able to lift the mica off. Yeah, there we go. There you go. This is the other part. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll give you a better view in a second. So
100 years underwater has created something very, very special.
okay. So there we go. So this is the little cup. This is the little cup which holds the IF coil. And these are the little mica capacitors which were clamped under this cover, yeah, at the back of it. And these little mica plates are all that represents those capacitors. So that is what we are ultimately going to replace by classical, and by classical I mean by ceramic, tiny ceramic capacitors. So that's it for disassembling an IF can. I hope you enjoyed this part, and we'll continue soon with another update of refurbishing the Motorola 5T 13P. Thanks for watching.